Good morning. One penny here. 6:30 in the morning. Time to get up and start going. I wanted to sitting here last night thinking about today and mapping out tomorrow, which today. I wanted to put in some big miles today. Try to get on up the trail a ways. I have to make up a lot of time since I had to spend a month at home. But fighting against my nature, it's not a good idea to start again and try to pile on a bunch of miles in one day. I need to kind of slowly increase. So that's what I'll try to do. We'll have to reassess where I can get to, where I can camp, or just be satisfied with pitching up, somewhere along the trail wherever I find a flat place. It's going to be raining all day long, so that's going to be a pain in the pain. Also, trying to pack up a wet tent is going to be no fun. I got all my stuff inside the tent, so I'll be able to pack it up. But then the tent itself is wet. I have to try to shake it off, fold it up, roll it up, stick it in the pack, and it's just going to be wet no matter what. So when I unpack it this evening, most of the tent is just netting, so water will actually come inside on the base of the tent, and no real way to try to dry that out before I put down my pad in my bag. And so part of the adventure, part of the quest. I do have a rain suit. I do think that I will wear the pants. I might opt out of the jacket and wear a poncho, but I'll just have to see. It's part of testing out the different gear. Through the Keys, it worked out well wearing the poncho because it was in the 80s, and the rain kind of helped cool things down. But here the temperatures are only going to be around 70, and it may be better to have the full suit on. So once again, just going to see how things go. Gotta get my butt up and try to find some signal. That's another issue. Trying to check on things in the real world. Hard to do if you've lost your signal. And throughout this section, from reading comments, there's going to be quite a bit of area where I don't have any signal. In fact, I don't have a signal here in the tent. But 20 feet that way over at the picnic table, if I sit down, I will get signal. So it's always hit and miss. Well, I better get going. One critical mistake. When I went to Walmart to get a few supplies before I started out, I intended to get a canister of gas for my stove to heat my meals, and I forgot. So all my meals are going to be cold soak for the next week, which stinks. And probably for a while beyond that too. I don't know the likelihood of finding some place along the trail that will have canisters. So, big mistake. All right. Oh, have a good day. See y'all.
Just another little section of the trail here. This is the Alabama, well, this is the Blackwater River connector up to the Alabama Road Walk. So this is a different part of the trail. This is wetter. There's more hardwoods, there's more undergrowth. So that's what it's like. This is a beautiful section, nice and shaded, sun dappled. And you go through these little tunnels or archways. Some of them look like they're ready to eat you up. And just keep going and going. This is a wonderful day. It rained a little earlier when I was at the crossing the Black River, the Blackwater River, Juniper River, I'm not sure what it's called. And just keep going. This is just wonderful. I can't get over this. I'm so lucky to be out here. What a nice thing to do. Still got an awful long way to go. Not sure that it's going to work out the way I originally planned, but that's okay. A few things do. I just have to adjust as I go. So there you go. Another little section. I'm trying to get 6 or 8 more miles in tonight. I think it's right around noon, maybe 12:15. I'll probably go ahead and hike until about 5 o'clock if I can keep going that long. It's tough getting started again and with a heavy pack at the same time, but just got to keep going and get used to it and put in some miles. Well, one punny saying goodbye. See y'all later.